Healthy eating, simple tips to improve your digestive system. Are you suffering from gas? Bloating? Constipation? Stomach upset? Gastrointestinal issues are all too common and unfortunately can get you down. Luckily, there are some simple tips you can use to help get your digestive system in better order and help you feel well again. The digestive system is a group of organs working together to convert food into energy and essential nutrients and feeds the whole body. Let us look at what these tips are so you can begin to implement them in your day. 1. Add a probiotic. Perhaps the single best thing you can do to help improve your digestive system is to add a probiotic to the picture. Probiotics are great for helping to not only enhance the digestive process but also strengthen your immune system. Most people are not getting sufficient levels of probiotics in their eating plan, so adding one is a super fire way to change that. 2. Sip warm water. You might also consider sipping a glass of warm water during your meal. Sipping water while eating can help your digestive system relax a little and will also assist with the breakdown of the food you eat. Don't drink too much water though, too much may make digestion difficult, and this could leave you feeling bloated. 3. Stress less. Stress is one of the worst things you could do if you hope to keep your digestive system feeling its best. When you are stressed, the sympathetic nervous system is ruling over your body. When your body is trying to digest food, the parasympathetic system is the one that needs to be in control. Both systems cannot be working at the same time, consequently this creates strain over your entire body. So before you eat your next meal, consider doing some deep breathing to calm yourself down. 4. Eat slowly. Slowly chewing your food is also a good trick to help give your digestive system a boost. Your digestive system can only handle so much food at a time, so if you attempt to gulp your meal, you are going to feel the effects shortly after you finally do stop eating. Eating slowly gives you the chance to listen to your body's internal signals on when it is time to stop eating, so this might also help you lose weight. 5. Chew your food. Finally, it should go without saying, but make sure you chew your food thoroughly. Too many people rush when they eat and only chew their food partway. As this is the first step in the digestion process, the more you break food down, the less work it will be for the rest of your digestive system. Take a little extra time and chew your food, you will be doing your body a big favor. Keep these tips in mind and put those digestive problems behind you. Although managing your disease can be very challenging, type 2 diabetes is not a condition you must just live with. You can make simple changes to your daily routine and lower both your weight and your blood sugar levels. Hang in there, the longer you do it, the easier it gets.